Hello, this is Dr. Tae, and I have a doctorate in herbology, and I've been in clinical practice for the past more than 15 years. And I happen to carry more than 400 different individual herbs in my herbal dispensary in this office, and I make compounds and formulations to match the individual needs. And today I'm here to talk about herbs in general. Today's episode, I want to talk about burdock. Burdock is a commonly used herbs that are now becoming more and more popular. And I want to talk about what it tastes like and what it does from the Chinese medical perspective, and talk about a little bit more into the research that's surrounding it. And let's get into it now. So, this herb, Nubangzi, is a Chinese herb. The Latin name is Fructus arctic, and it has a bitter taste with no foul and slightly pungent and benumbing. I just want to focus on the bitter taste in Chinese medicine. It means that it's antiviral, antibacterial, and has anti-inflammatory properties. And being a slightly pungent means that it tastes acrid. The best way I can describe it is almost like spicy without the spice taste. So it's considered a diaphoretic, means that it opens up the pores of your skin. And therefore, in combination of this herb entering the lung and stomach meridians, it is good for your skin. So if you look at the actions over here, it says that it disperses wind heat. Heat, think of it as an infection or irritation. And the fact that it clears toxic heat because of its bitter taste, it has the ability to counteract the toxicity. And it also relieves the sore throat and promotes eruption, meaning if you make it into fine, like break up this herb, it has the ability to be good on your skin irritations like carbuncle, psoriasis, and things of that nature. On this website, once again, it is cool, accurate, releases the exterior, being a accurate herb. It benefits the throat, it clears heat, relieves toxicity, it vents rashes. Once again, it vents rashes because it opens up the pores again. And it is good for pneumonia, fever, cough, swelling, carbuncles, mumps, and once again, it's good for the skin. And burdock has multiple benefits. It is a very strong antioxidant. It has the ability to lower the blood sugar levels. Now, will I use this to treat people with pre-diabetic conditions? The answer is no. Will I recommend it as a daily tea? Sure. It inhibits some types of cancer, but not all of them. And it's good known for pancreatic carcinoma. So if you have pancreatic cancer running in your family, then I would recommend it to drink it as a tea, but I wouldn't use it to treat pancreatic cancer. And the fact that it is a root, or you could use the root, it has some aphrodisiac enhancement effects. Now, will I use it to as an aphrodisiac? The answer is no. There are things that are much more better for that. And will I use it for skin issues? The answer is yes. I would definitely use this as a tea to bring down a lot of skin issues, especially people who have a lot of acne. And there are studies that shows that people who take burdock root supplements have less effects on their acne overall compared to the no control group. There is an important compound called inulin, and inulin is a prebiotic, means that the probiotics are the bacterial cells in your body, the good bacteria. They need food to survive, and inulin is a great prebiotic. I think if you're watching this video for the first time, you might notice that I always talk about prebiotics in my other videos. Prebiotics are simply means that vegetable fibers that don't break down in the body. However, your bacteria eats that stuff in your gut, and they help proliferate or colonize your probiotics in your gut in a good way. In the Mount Sinai website, one of the things that they mentioned right away is that it is a blood purifier to clear the bloodstream of toxins. And it is great to do that because, once again, it has a very bitter taste. And topically remedy for skin, eczema, acne, and psoriasis. And there's another study that shows that. And there are certain things that Burdock is good. Patients infected with urinary tract infections, complicated UTI cases, the microbes within the biofilms are effectively shielding against the antibiotics. So whenever you have an bacterial infection or even viral, they create this film around the site of the infection, and your immune system has a hard time getting to it. And therefore, Burdock has the ability to get rid of the biofilm, and therefore your immune system is actually able to get to the site of the infection and therefore alleviate the infection. And Burdock has the ability to do that. And if you look over here, it says reduction in biofilm thickness, whether it's a E. coli infection or other types of other forms of infection. And Burdock is good for that. Last one is that the efficacy of TCM Jiawei Nubangzu granule is combined with another herb may be good for in treating active rheumatoid arthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disease where your immune cells are attacking your own joints, causing arthritis. Some people have used it, and basically the study showed that it was a double-blind study. It needed more, research. Whenever a study shows the efficacy, the p-value is very, very low. And as more studies are done, the p-value, if it's pointing towards 1, it means that it actually works. So being one study and there were no more studies after it from a research standpoint, it's not strong enough for me to use for rheumatoid arthritis. However, what I would use it for are for people with skin issues and breaking up the biofilm, and in that sense. All right, this concludes today's video. Please hit the like, subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And know that these videos are for educational and entertainment purposes only. Before you implement any of these ideas into your daily regimen, into your health, please consult with your healthcare provider before doing so. And please do not take this video as medical advice. And if you hit the like button and subscribe, it really helps the YouTube algorithm, and I'm able to talk more about herbs and how these herbs can go about educating people and helping more people. All right, until next time, take care. Bye-bye.